In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review GoHighLevel, a comprehensive platform that many businesses are talking about. Whether you're a marketing agency, a coach, a consultant, a local business owner, a course creator, or a service provider, understanding the nuances of this all-in-one software could be incredibly beneficial for your operations. First, let's talk about what GoHighLevel is. Essentially, it's a business platform with a wide array of features designed to streamline and enhance various business functions. It combines essential tools for customer relationship management, funnel creation, email and SMS marketing, automation, calendars, memberships, reputation management, websites, and even AI integrations. Each of these elements is crafted to meet the needs of a busy professional who wants everything in one place. Now let's dive into evaluating the core features of GoHighLevel. Starting with CRM and pipeline management, it's crucial to review how the platform handles contact management, opportunity tracking, pipeline customization, and lead organization. Compare these elements to what HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive offer to see how GoHighLevel stacks up. When testing, pay attention to how easy it is to move opportunities through the pipeline, filter contacts, take notes, and assign tasks, all while ensuring seamless team collaboration. Next up, the funnel and website builder. This is where GoHighLevel offers a drag-and-drop editor, which is invaluable for ease of use. Assess its mobile responsiveness, available templates, page speed, and SEO options to get a full picture of its capabilities. Compare this experience with using ClickFunnels, Kajabi, or WordPress. Be sure to test how straightforward it is to edit, the performance of your funnels, checkout flows, and how effectively the design translates to mobile devices. Automation and workflows are arguably among GoHighLevel's strongest assets. Delve into the workflow builder functionality. With its triggers, actions, and ability to handle multi-channel automation, the AI integrations and conditional logic further enhance your automation capabilities. Test scenarios such as form submission follow-ups, appointment reminders, lead nurturing, and handling cart abandonment. Compare this with the automation features in ActiveCampaign, Zapier, and Keep to see how it measures up. When it comes to email and SMS marketing, assess deliverability, the campaign builder, template offerings, SMS reliability, and reporting options. It's essential to check open rates, click tracking, SMS automation, and personalization capabilities. GoHighLevel supports LC Email, Mailgun, and Twilio, the latter being a popular choice for SMS services. Finally, for those reviewing GoHighLevel as a potential option for course creation, explore its memberships and courses features. This involves setting up a course, evaluating the student experience, drip content mechanisms, checkout flow, and community features. Compare what GoHighLevel offers with platforms like Kajabi, Teachable, and Thinkific to make an informed decision. Each of these areas will give you a solid foundation to determine if GoHighLevel aligns with your business needs. So, dive in and explore whether this platform could be the right fit for you.